here it is, live. If you want to know why it's so disgustingly cloudy, it's the culprit right there. And that's the line that he's putting there right now. It's been relentless all morning long. 2 planes, right now is 1. And it's intoxicating all of us. Look at that paddle boarder there. And all the people here at the beach, clueless. And this guy is spraying right there. Relentless here in Malibu. This is not somewhere else. This is in your backyard, Malibu. Look at your hills. Look at this guy. Line already dissipating. This is... Jet trails are supposed to trail 10 times behind the jet, not create lines that stay like that.